In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to export your file and how to, where to submit it in the assignment in Schoology. The thing I don't have done is I don't have my actual words done that I wanted to create, but I had some problems battling them, but they should be there available for you on the page. For the ones that didn't find it yet, it should be back here on the Schoology page, the vector text SVG in the bottom. Now, hey, Rito, I'm doing a video. 1 second, please. I have my toddlers in the background doing some projects, as far as some farm projects. The next thing is, once this is all done, all we have to do is export this as an SVG. How do you export a file? You want to make sure you have all of your stuff inside your space, meaning that you're inside the rectangle that we made that's 8.5 this way by 11. Now the next thing is we go over here to export, and in export we want to come in and we want to do it as an SVG. It should start that way. Now the next thing is we want to download that. So once you click download from here, it should put that down over here in your bar. This is in your download files. It's also here until you turn that off or close it out, but this is your submission in Schoology. So in Schoology, in the vector symbol assignment, which is right down here, on the right hand side when you click into it, you should see submit. What I'd like you guys to submit is that SVG we just downloaded, so this SVG, and then also if you could take a picture with your Chromebook of the stuff that you drew. And what I mean by that is the bottom of that first page. So on here, I would try to get as much as I could see of this portion right here. Alright, let me take my print screen so you can see, but it'd be from here to here. If you can get that in your frame, take a picture of it so I can see it, that'd be the other part of the submission. Alright? Thanks for watching, guys and gals. Sorry about the little people in the background making noises, but that's all they do. They're my kids. They're not good at being quiet. Have a good day. Hope this helps. But that's how you submit the vector symbol assignment. Have a great weekend.